Why is my personal property data part of public records? Imagine trying to buy a new car or start a business. Would you want to know if the owner has unpaid taxes or liens? That's where public records come into play. They hold important information about property ownership and taxes. Public records include details about both real estate and personal property. Personal property means tangible assets that are not attached to land, like vehicles, equipment, or machinery. These items can be taxed separately from the property itself. Local governments keep track of this data to make sure everyone pays their fair share of taxes. Property taxes are a major source of revenue for communities. They help fund schools, emergency services, roads, and other public projects. To do this accurately, tax authorities need detailed records of what each person owns that can be taxed. That's why personal property data is part of public records. It helps verify who owns what, how much it is worth, and if there are any unpaid taxes or liens. Access to these records is open to the public for good reasons. Property owners can check their assessed values and tax bills to confirm they're correct. If there's a mistake, they can use the records to file an appeal. Buyers and lenders also review these records to see if there are any outstanding taxes or legal claims on a property. This helps them make informed decisions. The records typically include the owner's name, a description of the property or assets, assessed value, any tax exemptions, the tax rate, payment history, and if there are any liens or unpaid taxes. These details are kept by county auditors or recorders and are often available online or at local government offices. In short, personal property data is part of public records because it helps ensure fair and efficient property tax collection. It promotes transparency, allows verification, and supports the proper functioning of the tax system. Without this information, it would be much harder for governments to collect taxes and for the public to stay informed about property ownership and tax obligations.